Welcome to the OnShape tutorials. So for this tutorial, you'll be introduced to a platform or a software called OnShape. In OnShape, we will learn how to set up an account and sign in into that account, so that way you guys can get started on your CADing portion of the challenge. So on OnShape, when you first sign in, you'll be prompted to this page over here. Give it a second to load. And so initially, when you first start with OnShape, you won't have an account. So you'll need to hit the sign up option down here. That will bring you to this page over here, which will ask you whether or not you want to use professional, education, or a maker's plan. Click the educational account, and then you'll be presented with the option of either making a student or an educator account. So for you guys, it will be a student account right here, and then you will place your first name, your last name, and your email address of your choice into here. And then next thing you'll do is select school level, and so for you guys it will be K to 12, and then make sure to click this checkbox in order to continue. So once you get to the next part of your setup, this is a create account page. So over here you'll type in your school name, the one that you go to, the school website, the city that you live in, the state. So for this you would type in the province or the territory that you're from, or if you do live in the country, you will select that country and then type in the correct state or province according to the country that you live in. And so for your graduation year, it will be dependent on what year you are in your school. And then you'll write a little blurb about why you're using OnShape. Just say something about using OnShape for educational purposes. And so yeah, and then make sure you click all three of these checkboxes, and then go ahead and create your account. After that, there'll be an activate email option. Make sure you go do that in the email that you entered, and you should be good to go. Once you finish signing up for OnShape, return to the home page and then click sign in again, and then type in your email and your password, and you should be brought to a page just like this one, except yours won't have anything in this space. It'll be completely empty. On my account there is something because I already made one. But yeah, so if you go ahead and click create, you'll be able to make new documents, and once you make a new document, you can title it. Let's call this test 2.0. Go ahead and create that, and then you should be brought into the part file of your document. That way you can go ahead and start creating.